Last month my bank statement showed $36,438, all from YouTube Shorts. No camera, no editing skills, no face on screen. I'm going to break down the exact system, step by step, so stay till the end because step 3 is the one most people skip and it's the reason their channels never grow. A year ago I had 0 subscribers and 0 clue what I was doing. I tried filming myself, I tried editing manually, and I quit within 2 weeks because it felt impossible to keep up. Then I switched to a fully AI-based workflow, and everything changed. This isn't about luck or some secret algorithm hack. It's a repeatable system anyone can copy. Let's get into it. The first mistake people make is trying to invent a brand new niche. Don't do that. Instead, find niches that are already proven to work: motivation, life facts, money tips, psychology hacks, history stories. These categories already have massive built-in demand. What you want to do is study 5 to 10 top-performing channels in that niche. Look at their most viewed shorts. Note the patterns, video length, hook style, topic angle. You're not copying content, you're copying structure. That distinction matters a lot, both for originality and for staying within platform guidelines. Once you have your niche, scripting is next. This is where most creators waste hours. I use AI writing tools to generate scripts in minutes instead of hours. The formula I follow is simple: hook in the first 3 seconds, one core idea in the middle, and a strong call to action at the end. I feed the AI a clear prompt, the topic, the tone, the target length, and I always ask for multiple hook variations. Then I pick the strongest one based on curiosity and clarity, not cleverness. Here's the key thing nobody tells you: a script only works if it sounds natural when read aloud. So after generating it, I always read it out loud once and cut anything that sounds robotic or stiff. This is the step most people skip, and it's the difference between a channel that grows and one that stalls. For voiceover, I use AI voice generation tools to create natural-sounding narration. For visuals, I pair the voice with stock footage, AI-generated images, or simple text-on-screen animations that match the pacing of the script. The mistake beginners make is mismatched pacing, visuals that don't sync with the words, or footage that has nothing to do with the topic. Viewers notice that within seconds and swipe away. Every visual should reinforce what's being said, not just fill space. I batch this process, writing 5 scripts at once, generating 5 voiceovers at once, then editing 5 videos in one sitting. That's how one person can post daily without burning out. Here's the part that separates people who succeed from people who quit: consistency. I post one short every single day, same general time, for months. The algorithm rewards channels that show a reliable pattern of new content. In the first few weeks, expect low views. That's normal. The algorithm is still testing your content against small audience samples. Once you get a few videos that perform well, the algorithm starts pushing your channel harder, and that's when growth compounds. Money doesn't come from having a channel. It comes from watch time and audience size. Once you've hit the eligibility thresholds for the Shorts monetization program, ad revenue starts flowing automatically based on views. But the bigger money isn't even ad revenue, it's what comes after. Brand deals, digital products, and affiliate links, once you have an audience that trusts you. Ad revenue is the starting point, not the ceiling. So that's the full system: proven niches, AI-generated scripts, AI voice and visuals, daily consistency, and layered monetization. None of this requires being on camera or having editing experience. It requires showing up daily and following the process. If you want the exact prompt templates I use for scripting, drop a comment saying script, and I'll share them in a follow-up video. One honest note: specific income figures like this are common in make money online content, but presenting an unverified number as fact can create legal and platform policy risk. FTC guidelines on income claims, YouTube's misinformation policies, unless you can back it up with real proof. If you want, I can rewrite the hook using a verifiable framing instead, like, how creators are earning 5 figures a month, which keeps the pull without the liability.